So if you're currently dropshipping or you're just getting started with dropshipping, this is a perfect video for you. These are mistakes I've made in the past, and because I've made these mistakes, you won't have to make them too. Mistake number one is using AliExpress for fulfillment. The reason why you don't want to use AliExpress is because AliExpress is not just catered to you. They're catered to many people. They don't even think about you. They don't even know you. They have nothing to do with your business. And that's just one of the reasons why you don't want to use AliExpress. They also have slow shipping times, terrible customer service, and the packaging is awful. What you want to use instead is BSDropshipping. BSDropshipping is the best fulfillment that you can use right now. Not only do you get fast shipping times, the best product price for the product you're selling, but you're also able to get your logo on your product or custom packaging for the product that you're selling, which is definitely beneficial for an e-commerce store. Mistake number two was customer support. When I first started dropshipping, I did not outsource my customer support. I decided to do all the customer support myself. And during that time period, I was using AliExpress for fulfillment. So as you can understand, there was tons and tons of issues. Customers were unhappy because they weren't getting the product in time. So that's why you should be using BS Dropshipping so you don't have those problems and angry customers in your emails, and you won't have to outsource as much work when it comes to customer support. But if you're making tons of orders, it's important to outsource that work so your customers are getting the best support possible. Mistake number three was running a general store. When you're first starting out dropshipping, you do not want to sell multiple products. Focus on one product at a time, because the more products you sell at one time period, it's going to confuse you. It's going to get you to go all over the place. Instead, when you have one product that you feel that is a good winning product to sell, that's when you're going to get the best result possible, because you're actually going to understand the product. You're going to put 100% into that one product instead of selling multiple different types of products on your website. What I like to do is a one product store and just focus on that one exact product. Mistake number four is utilizing AI for literally everything. You do not want to use AI for every single part of your business. You only want to use it on the important things like copywriting, maybe making graphics for your brand. But you still have to go over everything that's being made and make sure it's done to the best of its abilities. So try not to use only AI for everything so there's no mistakes. Try to also go over your website and make sure everything's done properly. Mistake number five is selling a saturated product that everybody else is selling. This is definitely a mistake that I've made in the past, and I've learned from that. Instead of selling the exact same product that I see everybody else selling, I'll either go and find a variation of that product, or I'll have a different marketing strategy when it comes to selling that product. Or I'll have a better offer than what my competitors has. That way, I'll take all my competitors' customers from them and they'll come to my store instead. Mistake number six is getting right into paid ads just off the start. So in my experience, I had no money to start with. So I was running paid ads with no money and I struggled a lot. But instead, what I've been doing recently is doing organic straight off the bat. This way you don't have to invest money into paid ads, and you're able to make sales through posting onto TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. And this is probably the easiest way to make sales and have great profit margins. Mistake number seven, the last mistake that I made, was selling only one of my product. So what I mean by that is, instead of selling the product at $29.95, just one product, you want to bundle up your offer. Do a buy one, get one free. Buy two, get two free. Buy three, get three free, Bundle up the offer, incentivize your customers. Not only will you make a better AOV, average order value, but as well, your conversion rate will increase as well. That's the top 7 mistakes that I've made in the past, and I've definitely learned from those mistakes. So make sure you do not go through those mistakes like I did. And if you want to go ahead and set up your fulfillment before you even start running any ads, then go ahead and start working with BS Dropshipping. There's going to be a link in the description where you can set up and get your first quote today.